because Robeson County is on the road now with STEAM. So we have a mobile STEM unit that will be visiting classrooms across the district, as well as parent nights and family engagement events. This van will be allowing our students to have access to standard aligned STEM lessons or STEAM lessons, helping them build their natural curiosity about the world around them. I'm very excited. We will be setting up a rotation schedule, starting with our elementary schools, and then we will be building in middle schools. So eventually we would like to have it K-12. So we would like for a PSRC to be rolling with STEAM as we prepare our students to be the future problem solvers of tomorrow. We should be on the road. I know we have a family STEAM night coming up at the farmers market, and that will be March 30th, and I know we will be present at that event. It'll be lots of fun, hands-on learning.